Guys, in this video I will show you how to download a wallpaper from your Zedge app. So just watch and follow this video till the end. You have to open Zedge like this, and you will wait right now. And what you have to do, you will search for the wallpaper that you want. So for me, I will choose this, and I will from here search for the perfect one for me. For example, this one. Just click, and right now click here, and click right now on save to media folder, and that's all. Save it to media folder. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another video.